welcome back to Kara's Cakes. Today we're going to tag a Christmas tree. So there's a Christmas tree farm near us. We're gonna go walk through the woods and tag our Christmas tree. If you don't know what that is, it is just where you go to a Christmas tree farm. They give you a tag to put on your tree and a little flag thing so they can see it. So then once you mark it on the map and put your name tag on the tree, they can go get the tree for you at a later date, or you can come back and cut it down yourself, whatever you'd rather do. We normally get them to cut down the tree. So this year, my mom and my sister and I are going, and I think she said my niece Olivia is coming too. So I'm gonna film a little bit and show you what it's like at the tree farm. So let me know down in the comments if you are team real tree or if you have an artificial tree. And let me know your reasoning behind it. So we're wandering through the woods. We were given a map to mark where we pick our tree. And we have all, you can see this tree over here has a pink tag on it. We have tags to put on the trees when we find them. Olivia has the map and she's guiding us through the forest. We found 3 trees and we're on our way home now. We lost Mom and Liv. I think they're going the wrong way.
Yeah.
It's this way.
No.
You sure? Could I have a medium candy cane hot chocolate? This is my first candy cane hot chocolate of the season. I sometimes get the white candy cane hot chocolate, but this is just the regular one. Tastes so good. I think the last clip you would have seen was us at the Christmas tree farm, or maybe I did something after. Anyways, so that was last week, and now it's the next Friday. I worked night shift last night, got home at 6:30 this morning, got in bed. Thought I was gonna sleep a little longer, but I got up around 10:30, 11. So I got showered and then got ready and went to the dollar store because a couple of my friends and I are getting together to do gingerbread houses. So I got some candy. I got some candy and stuff for the gingerbread houses. And I also got some chocolates to put in the giveaway box. I'm actually shipping off the giveaway box today. If you saw my last video, you know what's in there, but I'm adding in Smarties and Kit Kats and a Coffee Crisp bar. I'm not a huge fan of Coffee Crisp, but it is a very Canadian thing, I think, so I put that in. And the Smarties and Kit Kat are Canadian too, I'm pretty sure. Correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, I wrote a little thank you card, and I'm gonna get some packing that I have left from some of my Amazon packages, put it in here, and then tape it up and take it down to the post office. Hey guys, it's Sunday. I haven't filmed since office, but I sent it off to the winner. I think the post office said it'll get there within 10 business days, so that's pretty good. So now I'm on the way into a craft show. It's like a Christmas craft show with a bunch of different vendors, and one of the vendors is someone I used to work with at the hospital, so I'm going to go say hi to her and just check out what's going on. I might get a couple things for Christmas presents, but I'll try to show you some things and bring you along the way. Okay, so I went in the craft show, but I didn't film much. I filmed a little pan around when I was standing at my friend Maureen's booth, but she makes hats, so I got this purple hat. I got it for my sister-in-law. I thought she would like it. I also got this pair of earrings. They have little snowflakes, and they're sterling silver, so I thought I could switch my little hoops out for these for the rest of the winter. The woman that designed my Kara's Cakes logo was there. She was selling Christmas cards, so I bought this one. So I got this one. It says, "I can't feel my face when I'm with you," like that song. And I thought it was really cute, so I bought that. I also got this little thing. It is a little bath bomb body butter body scrub set. It's in a really nice scent, and my sister-in-law likes to take baths and stuff, so I got that for her birthday as well. Last but not least, I went and got some fudge and peanut butter balls. So it was like 3 for $5, like 3 little packages. So I got 2 chocolate peanut butter balls, 2 pieces of chocolate fudge, and 2 pieces of mint chocolate fudge. And then I also got these 2 gingerbread cookies. Aren't they cute? They smell so good. And that's everything I got. So I'm gonna head home now and hopefully edit this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up. Scroll down to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from me. Thanks for watching.